So today I'm going to try to make the rest of the Captain Marvel costume, the belt, pants, and boots. So start by cutting a piece of pellon 2 inches wide and long enough to go around your waist, and then get some red vinyl a little bit wider than that, lay the pellon on top of it, and hot glue the edges all the way around the pellon till you have the entire thing covered. Then just take some gold foil, and you just want to stick that onto the belt. I'm covering up a part where I didn't have quite enough vinyl, so I had a little crack there. Then put a little piece a few inches over farther. Then I have another piece of vinyl. I cut the little side pieces. And so then you just want to take something sharp. I'm using a compass point and drill a hole through both the layers. Then take some gold paper fasteners and poke those through the holes. Spread the tails out on the back side to hold those in place. You put one on each side. And so you'll do that to both sides of the belt, with 2 paper fasteners in each. And then take a little bit more of the gold adhesive foil and put one piece on each side next to the side pieces. And then just take some more gold adhesive foil, and you're just going to decorate the side pieces with it. So put one piece along the top, one piece along the bottom, and a second piece along the bottom, and then one piece along the left side, and one piece along the right side. And then you do the same thing to the piece on the other side of the belt. So you just want to sew a snap on one end and the corresponding snap on the other end, so you'll be able to fasten the belt around your waist. So then I just got a pair of plain blue pants from the secondhand shop. And then I took some fabric fuse tape and I stuck that to the back of some blue vinyl. It's pretty dark, but this is what I had, so that's what I'm using. I stuck a piece of that on the pants, and then another piece kind of diagonally, and then a little piece coming off the top of that, and then a little piece of red vinyl, and these all have the fabric fuse on the back, that's how I'm sticking them to the pants. Then a long piece down the leg, and then I took some more of that gold adhesive foil and I ran that down the center of all the dark blue vinyl. And again, this is just kind of my way of doing it. It doesn't totally match what she had, it's just kind of a quick and easy way to do it. This is a more piece of vinyl that I wrapped around the back, and I did the back basically the same way. And then you just want to do the other leg. And so for the boots, I just took my Superman boots, and normally I'd wrap some gold foil around it, but I want to be able to use the boots for both costumes, so I took some more of those gold beads that I used on the shirt and wrapped those around the top, and then I can just remove them whenever I want. Well, I think I found Nick. What's left of him.